Hi everyone, I'm gonna do a little bike check on my probably favorite bike, my Trek 970 from 1990. This is a bike that I picked up in a pretty bad state for I think €79, but I've done quite a lot of changes to it. So if we start with the driveline, these are XTR M9000 cranks. And obviously I did not buy new because I think they cost around €600. I bought them second hand for €110. I think also I put in new XTR bottom brackets, so really nice stuff. Vice pedals, really grippy, and that continues into 1x11 drivetrain. So I got a Sunrays cassette, kind of red anodizing, and an M8000 XT rear derailleur with a clutch, which is very cool on a bike like this because I do like to ride down stairs and jump curbs and so on. I'm running pretty fat tires, Maxxis Ardent 2.4 with some LX hubs. These are the M570, I think. I've kept the canty brakes, I replaced them to these black XT ones with cool stop pads. They work really well, they're really grippy, I can skid no problem. I have some green Diacompe holders, and I think the seat post is actually out of a 950, another Trek, because I wanted it black. It's a turbo saddle. This one actually had some kind of leather or something on top that was really bad shape, so I basically just ripped it off, put some black shoe polish on it, and then wrote by myself turbo. I really like it. It's super cool. It's very hard, but it's still comfortable for me. The frame, it looks a bit beat up, but I did the normal frame treatment with polishing, waxing. Not a lot of rust, to be honest. Just the chainstay, I had to do some rust treatment, but that's basically it. And at some point, I think this came from the US, so Berkeley, California, missing link. Some of the American viewers might be able to tell me what bike shop that is, but I don't know how it ended up here in Munich, Germany. Continuing with the driveline, this is a little hack that I have. That's an SLX M7000, 7100 shifter that it's one of those ice spec 2, and I've done this a number of times. That it was very cheap, €10 or so, and I just have one of these, what do you call it, cable? I don't remember what you call it. That works really well. It's not slipping, it's holding on. I usually use that for my monster bar, monster cross setups. The levers are from Suntour, so kind of moto style 4-finger levers. Really good power, I like the look. Then coming to the bars, these are Tomaselli bars from Italy. I don't think they sell them anymore. I've searched, this was the last one that I bought, and then they were gone from eBay. They're really low and doesn't have a lot of back sweep, so it's a pretty aggressive riding position, but I think they really look dope, good quality. I have a BMX stem. I actually think this is a Salt Junior. It's quite small, and I had to put in a holder for that. Also trying to hide the adapter because I don't like the look of an adapter, so put in some spacers there. Sometimes it's difficult to get a BMX stem to work with the Conti setup because of this. It's a little bit tight, but it actually has a form that makes the cable kind of go in there, so that works. Yeah, need to have a bell sometimes in Germany. Ask the people to step aside.